Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through the replacement of single O-ring seals in a standard Viking TRA 10 series circumferential piston pump using our seal kit with genuine Viking Pump spare parts. As always, please read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure all maintenance steps are completed. Each Viking Pump seal kit contains all the spare parts you need. The following tools are required: an O-ring pick and the provided lubricant. To begin, remove the seal sleeves from each shaft. Remove the shaft and body O-rings. You are now ready to install new single O-ring seals. Lightly lubricate the O-rings with a compatible lubricant and fit them into the body groove and in the shaft grooves. There are 2 grooves on each shaft. Be sure that the O-rings are installed in the groove nearest to the splined end of the shaft. Now, slide the shaft sleeves against the shaft shoulder. Shaft sleeves with prongs must be installed with prongs on each side of the drive pin, while slotted sleeves need to be installed with the slot over the drive pin. Your Viking TRA 10 series circumferential piston pump is now ready to be reassembled. To learn more, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.